Hi, my name is Anna, and today I'll be showing you how to wear your Lactation Simulation Model, or LSM. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the straps in the back of your LSM are nice and loose so that it's easy for you to put it over your head. We have a couple different ways that you could put it on. You can leave this purple strap buckled, or you can unbuckle it depending on your flexibility. So now that you can see the white and the purple straps are nice and loose, I'm going to turn it back around and pretend like it's a reverse backpack. I'm just going to slip it right onto my body over my head. So here I'm going over my head and onto my shoulders. And this is obviously a little low, so now I'm going to lift the LSM and make sure that it's comfortable and kind of securely positioned on my chest. I'm going to reach around and grab one of the white straps. I'm going to start with the right and just pull it down until the right side is firmly and securely on my chest. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the left. I'm going to show you from the side what that looks like. I'm going to take the white strap and pull it down just a couple of times until it's securely on my chest. And now you can see both breasts are in a place that's comfortably positioned for me to practice hand expression, pumping, and latching. The last thing you want to do is make sure that the purple strap is comfortably secured on your back. So you can just take one of your hands and secure the purple strap all the way like this. You can also have an assistant come and help you secure the strap on the back in case you don't have that flexibility. Now that you've put on the LSM, you're ready to practice.